Baked potato. A potato cooked in the oven. She ate a baked potato with butter. Barbecue. Meat cooked outdoors over fire. They had a barbecue party. Casserole. A baked dish with meat, vegetables, and sauce. They served chicken casserole. Chili. A spicy hot stew. Chili con carne is very filling. Curry. A spicy dish with sauce. Chicken curry is delicious. Dumpling. Small dough filled with meat or vegetables, steamed or fried. We had hot dumplings for lunch. Fried rice. Rice cooked with oil, eggs, and vegetables. We had shrimp fried rice. Grilled chicken. Chicken cooked over fire. Grilled chicken is tasty. Grilled fish. Fish cooked over direct heat. We had grilled fish with lemon. Hamburger. A hot sandwich with beef patty. He ordered a cheeseburger. Hot dog. A sausage in a bun. Kids like hot dogs. Hot sandwich. A sandwich served warm. She ordered a hot ham sandwich. Hot soup. A steaming bowl of soup. She sipped the hot soup. Lasagna. Layered pasta with meat and cheese. Lasagna is served hot. Meatballs. Balls of ground meat cooked hot. We had meatballs and sauce. Noodles. Long strips of dough cooked in broth. She ate hot noodles. Omelette. Eggs cooked flat and folded. He made a cheese omelette. Pancake. A flat cake cooked on a griddle. We had pancakes with syrup. Pasta. Italian noodles served with sauce. Pasta is served hot. Pizza. A baked dish with toppings on dough. They ordered a hot pizza. Rice. Cooked grains often eaten hot. We had fried rice for dinner. Roast chicken. Chicken cooked in an oven. The roast chicken smelled delicious. Soup. A liquid dish usually served hot. Tomato soup is comforting. Stew. A dish of meat and vegetables cooked slowly. Beef stew is hearty. Stir fry. Quickly fried vegetables and meat. We cooked a stir fry for dinner.